Using the new Outlook and your search is empty or are missing older emails? Don't worry, let's fix it in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Check your search scope. Go to Settings, then General, then Search. Change the search scope to Current Folder or All Mailboxes, and make sure you tick Include Deleted Items. This ensures Outlook looks everywhere, including your deleted emails. Step 2. Extend your offline range. By default, Outlook only downloads the last 30 days of mail. Go to Settings, then General, then Offline. Increase the days of email to say from 30 to 90 or 180. This lets Outlook search further back in time. Step 3. Use filters. Click in the search bar and open the filter drop-down. Select options like Older, From, or Has Attachments. Filters help you pull in the emails that are hidden in large search results. And that's it. That's how you fix search issues in the new Outlook. If you're still using classic Outlook, I've made a separate video just for that. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more Outlook fixes and tips.